I'm here to talk about how I stopped having pimple breakouts on my face. Basically how I got my face from this to this now. Basically my journey and the steps that I used to stop having breakouts. So hear me out. If you're a girl or a guy and you're struggling with breakouts, you're struggling with pimples, you're struggling with pores, you should sit down for this video. I'm going to try and not make it long, but I'm going to tell you briefly my journey so far and what I did and what I didn't do. It's quite very easy and you don't even need to break the bank for it. Tell you, this is not one of those videos that you see a person making a video telling you to do this, do that, to get your skin looking like their own. But why their skin is naturally pimple free, like they don't have to do much, they are just naturally gifted like that. So they had to use that advantage. I don't blame them though, but they use that advantage to come on, make a video just for the sake of creating content. But this video is not one of those videos. That's why I'm making this video with my clear skin, no makeup. So in this video, I'm going to break down the steps, my journey, and then the steps of what you need to do to stop having pimples, to stop having breakouts. It's not a magic. I've watched a lot of videos that basically tell you to go, you do this for a week and then your skin will magically transform. Trust me, this is not that video. I'm going to be very honest with you about skincare and what I have learned so far about skincare ever since I started taking mine very seriously. I'm going to be sharing like 4 or 5 steps of what you need to do. I'll be telling you my skincare routine, what I use and what I try to avoid. Firstly, you need to stop whatever you're doing. Don't be in that cult of you try a new skincare today and it's not working for you, and then you just change to another skincare product, and then it's not working for you in a week or 2 weeks, you change to another skincare product. It doesn't work that way. Please just stop. You're harming your skin. I believe you're harming your skin because it took me time. If you know me, you will know that I am the general overseer of breakouts. I used to have a lot of, in fact, before I had no space on my face. Have every type of pimples on my face. I was using a lot of products. I wasn't patient with the products to work. There are good products out there that would actually work, but I wasn't patient enough. I wanted something, a quick result. I was always on YouTube searching for things to use. You know it's not working. So when you stop whatever you're using that is not working for you, instead of jumping from one product to another, and study your skin type. I have a sensitive and an oily skin. Yes, you should know what yours is because there are products out there that will specifically tell you that this product is for sensitive skin, this product is for dry skins, this product is for all skin type. I stopped making up regularly, only on occasion. I started ignoring what people will say about my face. I didn't care again. I wasn't even married at that time, but I did not care. I just allowed my face to heal. So you just need to allow your face to heal from all the damage that you have caused it from using several different skincare products. Close to 2 months, I didn't use anything on my face. It was just when I bathe, I shower, I wash my face with soap and wash it off. Secondly, I stopped using towels on my face. So if you're using towels on your face, stop it. It's either you use paper towel, you know, the kitchen paper towel, to damp the water. You just leave your face to dry. Step is to always make sure your face is clean at every point in time. You know how the country is, it's dusty, it's dirty, your face could attract a lot of dirt. Stop touching your face, stop pressing your pimples. I stopped all those things. So I always made sure that my face was clean by not touching my face. And then I got a baby wipes. Why I say baby wipes is I didn't trust all those facial wipes because I don't know what chemicals that was used to make it. I believe that baby wipes are very good for sensitive skins because baby skin are very sensitive and tender. So basically what was used to produce baby wipes will not be harmful to my face because they are not harmful to baby's bumbles. So I used only baby wipes. If I was going out, I always have wipes in my bag to constantly wipe my face, clean my face. And most times I go out, after like 3-4 hours, I clean my face with wipe. I'll notice that there's dirt on my face. So you see why we are always prone to breakouts. Constant dirt being on your face. Step is to start light. Don't be quick to jump into products. I started with carrot soap or turmeric soap, you know, like something light, you know, that it's a natural product. It's time to start preventing what was causing the breakouts because I can't keep treating breakouts and then keep doing things that are causing me to have those breakouts. It's more like you're pouring water on stone. Since I have oily skin, it's life. Any oily food that I know that gives me breakout, because if I eat granite today, surely tomorrow or next I'll have a new pimple on my face. So I know that you should know what causes your breakouts. If you don't know it, then maybe you could try from my experience to study your face and what causes your breakouts. So I stopped eating foods that causes me breakout. Since I have oily skin, I had to stop eating granuts, peanuts, in fact every other nut. I reduced my intake of oily food like egusi. I made sure that my face was clean every time. If I was home, I would wash my face 3-4 times a day. If I was outside, I have baby wipes in my bag to wipe my face 3-4 times a day. Change your sheets regularly, but always change your pillowcase because we rest our face on our pillowcase. I said natural products like turmeric, carrot soap. That is what I started with for my skin, because vitamin C was actually going to heal my skin, like help to bring out my skin, help to like heal all those damages that I've done to my skin, just bring it back to natural glow. And then I noticed that I wasn't having much breakout as I used to. For 2-3 months, I was just maintaining the vitamin C serum and the turmeric soap. It was still working. I was noticing the improvements. Don't be tempted to go back to your previous habits. Always ensure to prevent those things that give you breakouts. Most people that have sensitive and oily skin, they are very prone to acne, they are very prone to pimples, they are very prone to breakouts, whatever you call it. Now is to start clearing your dark spots. I am very particular about reading products that I use, a lot of research, and then I love to read reviews about a product. And then I will always go and make research about the ingredients that was used to make that product. I started hearing niacinamide serum constantly on social media. I'm like, niacinamide, it clears dark spots. Okay, fine. I made research about it. Then this TXA and BHA or something. I'm going to share what I'm using and why I'm using them. First of all, I use turmeric soap and kojic acid soap, like turmeric with kojic acid soap. So basically, I have made research on every product that I'm using, and I think that this turmeric soap, it helps with acne. Yes, it helps to prevent acne, and it gives you that afterglow. I think it brings out an afterglow. Yes, and then it prevents acne. Then the kojic acid inside it, like it makes my face so dry, a bit dry. Yes. The second thing I use is niacinamide serum. I use AHA and BHA, like the 3 of them in one serum from Ghana. I also use the annual skincare, the annual Korean skincare niacinamide serum. Sometimes I use moisturizer from the Korean skincare. Then why I started using Korean skincare is because that I did a lot of research and I noticed that our skin type, the black people, it's not harsh for us. It's like it's very gentle to the skin, and then it's very active, and the products are very gentle to the skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, be sure of what you're using so that you don't know it doesn't cause you harm. It doesn't create more damage as you're trying to heal your skin. No. So the other product that I use is tuna, the face tuna. Face tuna, basically, it's also helps to clear black spots. So face tuna is more like a protector before you apply your moisturizer. Here are the products that I use for my face currently. I use a turmeric soap, turmeric and kojic acid soap. One. Then I use the niacinamide, AHA and BHA serums. Then I use the face tuna, is either from the Korean skincare or Ghana. Then I use I don't always use a moisturizer because I don't know why. I just feel like I have an oily skin and my face is producing enough oil to moisturize my face already. Then I have a moisturizer, but I don't use it like all the time. Then a sunscreen. I don't use my sunscreen all the time because now I'm currently in the UK, and during the winter I don't see the reason to use my sunscreen during the winter because we hardly see sun here. So but when I see sun, when I go out, I normally use sunscreen. So how many products did I call? It's just 4. Just 4. Sometimes I don't even use all of them. You don't have to break the bank just because you want to belong in the skincare routine. What's your skincare routine? My skincare routine. No, you don't have to have 20 products to be able to be categorized as a girlie that has a skincare routine. You could only have 2 or 3 that works for you and you stick to it. Just start sticking to skincare products that you know that for your skin type and use it, and then be consistent with a product. Don't jump from one product to another. No, be consistent with a product, please. You could use it for like 6 months. Yes, you could even you could use a product for like 2 months, and if you're not seeing any results, please just try again. try one more time. You will see results. You'll start seeing improvement. Unless you use a product for 2-3 months and you don't see any change. And when I say you don't see any change, you are basically, you too, you're not doing anything to cause you breakouts, because you cannot be using a product and then at the same time you're causing your skin more breakouts and expect the product to work. No, the product won't work. And finally, the secret to a healthy skin is what you eat. Like I say, I eat a lot of carrots. You see carrots, ginger, and cucumber. Like number one, or pata of them all is carrots. I can just snack on carrots all day. I won't even mind. But carrots is very, very good. That's why I use carrot soup or turmeric soup. But you see carrots, just chew carrots. Even if you don't like chewing carrots, you could blend it and make a carrot juice and drink. Maybe just make a carrot smoothie with apple and pineapple, or with watermelon. Carrot and watermelon with honey, just to sweeten it if you don't like eating apple, but if you don't like eating carrots. But I chew carrots. Like, I eat carrots every day. And then I've introduced my husband to eating carrots every day. And I've noticed that a lot of things have changed to his skin, because, man, the guy is dark, but now his chocolate skin is chocolate toned and his skin is glowing. But if you want a glowy skin, if you want a good skin, like a healthy skin, eat carrots, eat cucumber, eat like normal fruits that you know that are very good. Fruits and veg, you know, just browse on the fruits and vegetables that improves the quality of our skins. Browse it and introduce it to your meal. Start eating them. You'll see that there's improvement. You'll see that there will be an improvement. It's more like you're aiding your skincare product. Yes, unless you want to use bleaching cream, or you want to use all those harsh products that will work fast for you but later cause you damage. That is when you'll see a fast result. But if you just prevent your breakouts from coming, prevent your face from having new breakouts, clean your face, eat what is right, avoid eating things that cause you breakouts, avoid doing those things to your face or your skin that cause you breakouts. Avoid all those things, and then you see that you will start seeing results with your skincare products. You should be doing your part, and then the skincare product will be doing its part also. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So I think I'm going to end this video here, because it seems like it's beginning to be longer than I expected. And please, if you think this video added value to you, please do well to subscribe, comment that you enjoyed the video or the video added value to you, so that I'll do more of this kind of videos. And please like and share. Thank you.